A good look here. See this side? Boom. Alright, and let me kick it up real quick because it's 10 degrees outside. Oh, there is a Juicebox Pro IRC O2 sensor eliminator in this bike. And the thing about the Juicebox Pro is that it's made by Dynojet. It's just not as expandable as a Power Commander, and I'm not taking this to the track. I'm not getting the auto tune. There's actually a kit inside the fairings too, if you can see that. It's pretty cool. Alright, so let me start this up so you guys can hear. I don't see very many 12s with the with the Taylormade on it, so. I have to get some HIDs. Okay, so you guys hear that with the Juicebox Pro. I mean, it sounds great. My two brothers will go, whoa, 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 even.